Hey folks, so it's early in the morning. I'm not speaking too loudly, and I just got up and really not dressed for the occasion, but hey, it's an unboxing. I wanted to unbox this really quickly because in New York it's starting to get warm. I don't want to put on the ACs yet, but I certainly need some ear. And I got the opportunity to review this Dreo fan. I reviewed one maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago, and it is so good that we use it every single day. And so here's a chance to me to do another one. The package content says one pedestal air circulator, one user manual, one flat washer, one screwdriver for the base, one quick start guide, one screw for the base, one remote control with a battery included, one column, one power adapter, and one remote control holder. So without any further delay, let's get into this. I'm going to pause here to make sure you can see what I'm doing. I certainly don't want you to miss. Yes, you can. It says open here at the top. Using my trusty knife. Now again, this is just an unboxing to show you what's in the box. The full review will be on thegadgeteer.com. The link to that review will be in the description of this video. So opening it up. Small box is pretty light, so there won't be much to the unboxing. We have the foam, which a lot of companies are not using this now because it's not biodegradable. We have the base. This is the base. Here's the bottom. This is the heaviest part. It's got weight to it. Put this knife down before I cut myself in the face. So this is the base. It's got the hole. Put that down. There's a little quick start guide. This is the fan, obviously. I'm going to push this box out the way for a second so I can get the fan out. It's very light. You can see me holding it like this because it's extremely light. So it really needs that base to keep it up because the rest of it is light. I always like their designs. They look modern, sometimes a little futuristic, but they add to the aesthetic of any room. And here we go. This is the fan. You see the display on the front here, the touch buttons, the power, timer, brightness, RGB. I didn't know it had that one. That's interesting. We'll see what that is. Rotation, direction, vertical and horizontal. And it says Wi-Fi, which you both have. Unplug before disassembling the front grille. There's the front grille. Always nice. It's got a blue blade in this one. And it's kind of see-through. My other wasn't like that. There's the back. It's also got packing tape in the back. So I'll put that down. Let's see what else is in the box. This unboxing. Not much left. Back to the side. So here we have the packaging that has the bracket, the AC adapter, the remote control, the bolt for the base, and the Allen key. And this is going to be the column. Let me get this open quickly. All right, so this is the column. So this part, where it says C, this part with the hole goes into the base. The other part of the column of the fan goes on here. It has screw threads, as you see. And at the back of this column is the power adapter, AC adapter jack. And we're off to the races. So that is it. I will put it together, and once I'm done, I'll test it out. I expect it to be just as good as the previous one, if not better than the one I reviewed. And in a short while, you'll be able to see the full review. And if you see this video first, the unboxing, just click in the link in the description for the full review. So here I go. Chat with you guys again soon.